Fresh dry scallops from Off the Hook Mobile Seafood Market, stopping in Devil's Lake every other Wednesday. Be there around 11:30 a.m. It's a perfect time to get some good stuff. This one doesn't have the chemicals in it. That's why I really like it. I like to get that pan really, really hot. Simplicity, people. No oil or anything. I like to dry them out on a paper towel. These things cost some bucks. Why would you throw a sauce or something weird on it? Try to keep your food under 5 ingredients. A shaky, shaky, shaky. Make sure it doesn't stick. You can see some liquid coming out of it. When I get done cooking them, that's how I tell most of the liquid is gone. Forget looking for spatulas and stuff. Just start using a spoon or a fork or a tree twig. That's what I'm trying to say. I do the flippy. A lot of people don't even cook these this long, or they eat them raw. It's just growing up by the scallop boats. I always cooked them a long time. I used to like them really, really crispy. Of course, back then, I think I used to start the barbecue grill at the gas can from the lawnmower shack. Times have changed. Ooh, lemons. I like the organic ones. I hate to say that Walmart word, but they are available there. Some salt. Flippy. A little paprika. I used to always try to source out this really, really expensive paprika. Now I don't even worry about that kind of stuff. Just get whatever you see, the cheapest kind. Yummy. Oh, I put some sweet potatoes in the oven. Oh, and there we go. We got 8 scallops each out of that pound. Little balsamic vinegar. I don't use butter or anything. Oh, a sprig of basil just to make it pretty. Hey, we can watch it over again. It's a little bit different, this one.
I like food. I like to throw it down my mouth hole.